Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you know, when you have a big garden, there's always a project to do. Today I'm going to be planting some million bells in my hanging basket. So here are the plants that I had picked. And by the way, this is called bright red cabaret. In the past I have planted pink million bells. This year I chose to do a red one, and these are my hanging basket. I planted some Alyssum in them, as you can see. Some of them have purple and some of them are white. So I think it's going to be a great combination, red and white. So the interesting thing about these Alyssum, they are volunteer Alyssums. I planted some last year and they had these little tiny Alyssum plants that I dug up and put in these pots. So these have been here probably about 3 weeks. And so the great thing about Alyssum is that they do come back every year, and they have little babies that you can dig up and put in your pots. So here are some Alyssums that I have used in my garden in the past. This one is a combination of million bells and white Alyssum. And this one is a combination of petunias and Alyssum, and you can see how much the Alyssum has grown over to the side of the pot. It's really beautiful. So Alyssum is a great companion for plants, but not only that, they protect from pests and they attract beneficial insects. I often see Alyssum being used in organic farming. I live in a farming community, and oftentimes I see Alyssum planted in between crops like lettuce. So I wanted to show you what a volunteer Alyssum looks like. So I'm out here in my garden, and this is a little Alyssum volunteer. This is one that I planted from last year and it's come back. But this one right here, you can use this for any of your project. If you wanted to combine it with other plants, you can save it. Here are some more volunteer Alyssum that I had dug up, and these have been in here for maybe about a month. Okay, so I'm finished putting these together. I'm going to go ahead and hang it up. And in a few weeks I'll give you another update on how they're doing. But I think it looks good. I wanted to give you an update on how the hanging baskets are doing. This is 2 weeks after I planted them. Look at this. Here's a couple of the hanging basket, and you can tell how big they have gotten. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.